Good morning, guys. Now, today's the day I'm going to get the exhaust or the resonator replaced. So I just wanted to start it up and let you hear it for first thing in the morning, how it sounds. Hopefully you can pick it up. So here we go. Don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that. So what we're doing today, taking it to the exhaust shop and get that resonator removed and put a straight pipe in, and then we'll do this is the before and then we'll do an after. Okay guys, so let's see. Okay guys, I got the exhaust replaced, or resonator replaced I should say, so it's a straight through pipe now. I don't know if you can see that. I might put the lights on. There it is, straight through pipe, and it sounds a lot better, smooth. I was expecting it to be a lot more noise, but have a listen. It sounds, I wasn't expecting that. It's very smooth. So ultimately I'm very happy with that. That was only $100 to get that in, and totally happy. So there we go guys, all good. Okay, that was one of the part one of the common issues with owning a Ford Territory. Okay, resolved one way anyway. So yeah guys, until the next common issue video, goodbye for now. Alright, cheers.